lava, and row, row, row your boat, lightly row, and Feliz Navidad. Let's do row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. First you need to go C, 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 and C, 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 and do G, G7, G7, and go back to C. Do it again. Gently down the stream, merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Next is love. It's just the same. C, G7, and F. Just okay. So down, down, up, down, up. That's how you pronounce it. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, like that. So I'm gonna try it. There, and go to G7 and go to F. I mean, go to C again. And there you're gonna sing now the lava like next is Feliz Navidad. Going just the same as lava. C, F, and G7. That's all. Like Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Wait, I mean, first you need to go F. The first one is F. Second is G7. And the third one is C. Like this. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. And go back to C. That's how. And Like row, row your boat. Let's do again the row, row, row your boat. I mean, let's do the row, row, row. Let's do the row, row, row your boat again. Because I know, guys, I see you. I know you. You don't. I can see you don't. You can. You know. You don't. You're not. You're. You're even not good at the row, row, row your boat. I am the goodest row, row, row your boat. You too. But you need to practice like this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Next, last one is lightly row. Lightly row. It's only C7. Only two. Like lightly row, lightly row over the glasses where we go, where we go, smoothly glass, smoothly glide on the silent tide. Sing, I mean, let the winds and waters speak, let the winds and waters speak. With our melody, sing and flow, sing and flow, float in our little boat. I know the, beat. I know the beat, but I don't know what the saying is. Like, you know, like that's it. Like again. Lightly row over the glassy way where we go. Smoothly, I mean, smoothly glide on the silent tide. Sing, let the winds and water space mingle with our melody. Sing and float, sing and float, float in our little boat. Because you don't know, my mom enrolled me into, you know, guitar. And remember the what I do in the, the in the ukulele, like K-pop Demon Hunters audition. Remember that in my birthday? Now I know it. My mom enrolled me to the guitar section. I, comment the below. I don't know that. Oh, the guitar. You know that girl in the hospital. I don't know the sorry girl. So you're gonna see there I am not doing the right thing of K-pop Demon Hunters. It must be like this. Color me, color me, color me, color me, color me. Oh, 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 that's how. Comment below when or I am wrong or that's how.
Ay, maniligo niya din.
Bye bye guys.